Excuse me, we are two. Yeah, me and my girlfriend. What? No, listen, we are on the list. Oh my God. I tell you, man, I came here every Friday. I'm not gonna pay tonight, all right? Excuse me, may I speak with Mark? He's not here yet? Okay, is Joshua here? I'm a friend of Joshua.
Inside of inside of your home workout. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Welcome to your home workout. Are you ready? Come on, move. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 5.